start explaining a quick tutorial for the fusion of 3 fold screens in the immersion room. Before installing the software, we need to find the dongle, plug it into the host's rear USB port. After plugging in, the indicator light will flash. Next, find the installation package of Fusion software and decompress it. Find the Pixelwork main program and double-click. After double-click, there will be a dialog box that needs to be activated. When the dongle is used for the first time on a new device, need to activate once. Activate in 2 ways. The first is when the computer has an external network. You can directly click the connection network on the left to activate it automatically. Can open the software. If the computer does not have an external network or cannot access the internet through the wireless network card, you need to click the offline activation on the right. Give the serial number to the corresponding salesperson. Return an offline registration code. There are 3 steps after opening. The first step is to install the driver. The driver is offline and does not require an internet connection. Then click the second step to install the Fusion main program. Just click Next. Choose I agree. Continue to the next step to install normally. Path select default path. Do not modify. Pay attention to this place. To check, first create an icon for the desktop. Cancel the second online driver. Because the first step has already been installed, continue to click Next to install. Be sure to restart after installation. Click Finish and reboot. After the restart is complete, find the installation package. Click on the third step. After the prompt is complete, you can close it. At this point, we double-click on the desktop Fusion software icon. First step. We need to find the displays. Right-click to select 3 times 1. Because there are 3 projectors. Horizontal arrangement. Then cancel the Windows Fusion at the top. After selecting, click on the configuration in the lower left corner. Enter the Fusion debugging interface. Select Geometry Correction. Change the number of points to 2 by 2. Select Projector 1. Adjust the screen of Projector Node 1. Debug box is draggable. You can click the green dot in the upper left corner to drag. You can directly drag the 4 corners with the mouse. Adjust the screen position. Next is Projector 2. Also, adjust the screen according to the above method. If the mouse doesn't work well, it can also be adjusted with the keyboard. Select the point in the lower left corner with the mouse. Press and hold Ctrl加 Shift 加 arrow keys at the same time. You can adjust the screen. Click the down button. The screen will go down. After adjusting one side, release Ctrl and Shift and right-click. We'll go to the bottom right corner. Then continue to hold down the Ctrl and Shift to adjust as above. This is how the keyboard is adjusted. Continue to Projector 3. Select Projector 3 in the upper left corner. Continue to adjust the screen image. After adjustment, the 3 screens will be connected completely. 3. The folding screen is hard spliced. Debugging is relatively simple. To exit is to press the keyboard's ESC key twice. We'll return to the main desktop. Then click the Fusion software icon in the taskbar in the lower right corner. Right-click to select the display. This interface will be displayed. Click to open the Fusion. Now the overall picture is the Fusion state. Now you need to set the basic settings for startup and post-boot. We have to tick the Start at boot time, minimize after startup, and automatic fusion after startup. Tick these 3 options. After ticking, click Save. Then minimize. The saved Fusion data can be found in the C drive. Find the root directory in the C drive. This Wolf 000. Configure that in config. It is the Fusion data just debugged.